Do this trick to eliminate negative energies from your home, have more peace of mind, and attract prosperity. Agreed? Let's go. The first thing you'll need is to get a mask like this one. You'll cut it in the middle and then you'll see that there will be this little pocket. See? Well, when it's like this, you just need to put inside a clove of garlic and also a bay leaf, okay? Then find something to tie it up so it's firm and won't come out, okay? A garter, it can even be a thread, okay? After you've attached everything, just put it under your pillow every time you go to sleep. Guys, comment on which city you are watching us so that I can send you a hug, and I will take the opportunity to pass on a message from Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. In the previous verses, the Apostle Paul talks about how he learned to live contentedly in God in all circumstances. In joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in comfort and in pain, his strength to continue was in God. At all times in life, whether good or bad, Jesus is our strength. Reflect on this message, and in the meantime I will continue the video. But what is it good for? Well, we can all count on the good energy that garlic and bay leaves bring into our lives. By doing this every night before you go to sleep, you will be getting away from negative energies, because for a long time now we have been talking about the vibrational power of garlic and also the bay leaf in our lives, to keep us away from bad energies. One of the heaviest energies in which garlic is super powerful is to ward off envy. You have constant nightmares or insomnia, you are nervous, or the people in your house are also nervous. Of these four, if you have even 3 of these symptoms, you are certainly experiencing heavy envy within your home. The role of the bay leaf in this tip is fundamental, because besides bringing peace of mind, it attracts prosperity and abundance, and it is very common, for example, to keep a bay leaf in your wallet so that it never fits your money and attracts more and more. Surely you have heard this somewhere, at some point in your life. With so many positive spiritual prosperities, this plant will make you feel lighter, less nervous. It is important that you renew the garlic and bay leaf every 7 days by throwing the used one in the trash and putting new ones in its place. But you don't need to change the mask. It can remain the same. So if you do this tip, I invite you to come back here to this video in 3 days and tell me if you are feeling lighter. According to the channel, prosperity begins to appear in a few weeks, but it is important that you believe. And do you believe? If yes, put it here in the comments. Tell us if you will do it or not. I'll wait for you in the next video. Be with God and bye bye.